Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix this upside down Epson projector screen today for this demonstration. How to fix the upside down screen and how to flip it to be the normal projection setting. We're going to be working with the another Epson 697 UI Bright-link Short Throw Projector. To do this, grab your remote, click the menu button, and then sometimes you gotta do this in order to get there. You want to go down here, if you're looking upside down, to extended until you find this picture of an earth. And then, hold on a sec, oops. Go down to past that one to projection, and then you see, if you're having a projector like this, you would need to set it to front, like that. And now the projector is now properly aligned. Now you would set it to front ceiling or front upside down. But for this type of method, you would select like front ceiling or front upside down. But for this setup, it's front. So when you're done, hit the escape button, hit escape again, and there you go. Your screen is up correctly.